Give your hair its much needed wholesome care with the goodness of the specially formulated Ayurvedic Anti-Hairfall kit by Just Herbs. This oil is 100% natural, made with potent Ayurvedic herbs like Bhringraj, Brahmi and Amla that help boost hair growth and also prevent early graying of hair. Foam the oil and massage into hair roots with fingertips. Keep overnight, allow the oil to seep into your scalp. The next step is to wash your hair with the Just Herbs 8-in-1 Root Nourishing Amla Neem Shampoo. This shampoo has the benefits of 8 Ayurvedic herbs and plants that will boost your hair growth and deeply cleanse the hair scalp. Apply on wet hair, work up to lather and rinse with water. The last and most vital step is to condition your hair post the wash. The Kumuda Indian White Water Lily Silicone-free Conditioner will smoothen and nourish dull and damaged hair. Apply on wet hair after shampoo. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes and rinse with water. I love how soft my hair feels post using these products. Can't wait for you all to try.